this challenge, we've got a robot who is weaving his way along the track and using the touch sensor to make the turn, but also using the sonar sensor to regulate how far away from the wall he is. Notice how the robot will make adjustments as he gets far away from the wall and then too close to the wall. And he's taking a turn now, and the objective is to go around 3 times. And pretty good. So this robot is going to regulate itself, and when it gets too close to the wall, instead of getting tangled up and stop, it will adjust based upon the sonar sensor on the side. And that's a good run. Okay, we're going to go around one more time. And here we go. And this is our 3rd time through. Notice the sonar sensor on the side, which is regulating how far away from the wall it gets. Interesting use of the sonar sensor. And so now we're coming in from the final stretch, and we're going to go all the way down, and we should stop based upon a variable, and that's a nice run. Nice job.